here we can remove the low pressure seals and the V-packings. To remove the low pressure seals, gently pry them out with a screwdriver and examine them for wear. If the pump has been run dry, you'll notice that the ridges inside will be melted. Next, we'll remove the V-packings by tapping them out. Now we'll remove the spacers and flip the manifold over and examine the V-packings. Check the V-packings for any signs of wear or damage and melting that can be caused by running the pump dry. You'll notice that the inside of the packings will be overheated, and also the packing retainer may be damaged.